Will, sorry I'm topless again. I'm training, but before I forget, before I get tired, I'm going to show you your next workout. You're going to do the clean and press, but you're going to do it in a different manner that you have done before. I'm going to give you your weight in your email. I want you to do a deadlift first. Bring it up here. That's step 1. From here, I want you to just dip your knees a little bit and bring it up here. So you are using 50% of that knee dip, 50% core. You want to make the radius small. Okay, I'm going to show you again. From here, you're going to press up. You're going to hold it here for 5 seconds. Again, for you, depending on your flexibility, but aim for straight. I try to force myself to go into this stretch because eventually I'm hoping to get here. So if you don't try, you'll never get there. So try. After 5 seconds, bring it down. Drop the weight down. Hold it here for 5 seconds. Every movement is 5 seconds. 5 seconds, why? Because I want you to think about the next movement. The next movement, you're going to take this weight and bring it down. So you want to drop it, and you have problem here and in your groin. So you need to absorb it with your entire core. So just before it lands, you're going to tighten. So you're going to go and tighten. So you have to catch it right. So I'm going to give you a very light bell for this first set. If you can video it, send it to me, and then I can correct your form. And then from here, 5 seconds, and bring it down. You're going to do alternate hands. You're going to be very slow, but it's more on technique. Once you've mastered the technique, then I'll increase your speed and your weight and your repetition. First, then go with your left hand. Again, your aim is to actually bring it down in your CG. Here, I don't know whether you can watch me. Here. From here, just deadlift it up, and your back is like this. Your chin should be ideally behind here, just underneath your CG. From here, you're going to lean back, drive up your heels here first. Okay, this is 20 kg. You're going to go on a way lighter weight. From here, you're going to dip a little bit. As you dip, as you're going down, you're actually inhaling, but to your diaphragm. Once you get to the bottom of your dip, you're going to hold the diaphragm and you're going to bounce it back up, and then you're going to exhale and tighten again. So I'm going to show you from the beginning. Deadlift first. As you go down, breathe the diaphragm, arching your back and clean it. You want the radius to be in a straight line. Rest here. For me, I can rest my elbow, my hip bone. For you, you can't, so try and get it close to your body or CG. From here, this bit and jerk it up. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Breathe to your diaphragm. Okay, so you're going to breathe. Look at my fingers. They're relaxed. Try and find that spot. Okay, you're actually kind of balancing the weight. After the 5 seconds, bring it down. Hold it here for 5 seconds. This will be training your core. What you're looking for is to be at total rest here. So find a position that you know you have 100% rest. Because you have the 5 seconds before your next move. The next one is going to be explosive. You're going to drop it and catch it. You're going to inhale to your diaphragm and tighten your core like you do in a kettlebell swing as the bell goes between your legs. It's like a bounce. And then bring it down. Okay? But with the weight I'm going to give you, it's going to be relatively easy. But I want you to mimic the action. Okay, I'm going to repeat it one more time. Start off with the weight ideally in front of you, in between your legs, in between your line of CG. Go down into deadlift position. Remember, knees, hip, chin just underneath your arm. arm in between here. You're going to do a deadlift. You're going to breathe in, hold your breath. Exhale. Of course, you've got 5 seconds. Lean back here. Over here, you're trying to relax all your muscles. 5 seconds later, dip your knees. As you go down, you're going to tighten your core. And you're going to use that like a rubber band effect. You've got 5 seconds here, so breathe. Like I said, try and find the maximum rest here. And after 5 seconds, dip and press. And hold it there for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, bring it down. Drop it. As you drop it, your heels is raised. Catch it here. 5 seconds, breathe. From here, you're going to inhale and exhale at the bottom and you catch it. And then do a deadlift. And then you're going to do that with the alternate hand. Okay? You're going to do this for as long as you can. And let me think about your weight. Just let me know how many reps. Your cutoff time will be 15 minutes. So if you can do this for 15 minutes, I know the weight is too light for you. Okay, so I'm expecting, with the 5 seconds tempo, I'm expecting a certain amount of rep. So you can count. So it takes about 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 seconds to do 1 rep. Okay, so 1 minute you'll be doing 2 reps only, left and right. So let's see how far you can go, okay, with this. The weight will probably be in the range of 10 kg. So be prepared for that. 10 or 12.5. Let's see. I will be kind.